Okay, today we're going to take contextual multiplication a step further. You did a really good job yesterday of seeing how we form groups. And a group, when we're doing multiplication, you're going to find out it's very important. That's what multiplication is. It's groups of things. And we're going to take it a step further today. So let's look at our story today. Help me read it. Here we go. Ready? The peacock has 6 bird cages. Each cage has 5 parrots in it. How many parrots are in the pet shop? Well, I know that the first thing I need my main idea. And I know that my main idea is that I'm going to look for the what? Parrots that are in the pet shop. That is the main idea. We're looking for parrots that are in the pet shop. And in order for me to find out how many parrots are in the pet shop, the first thing I need to know, or the supporting detail that I need to know, the first one is I need to know what, everybody? That we have 6 bird cages, absolutely. And then I see that magic word, each. So that means each cage. And the next supporting detail is that I know that there's what? 5 parrots. Very good. 5 parrots. So who can raise your hand and come up here and draw and tell us what the first step of our problem is going to be and what you're going to do? What's the first step and what are you going to do? Come on up and talk nice and loudly, please. Yes. Nice and loudly, and tell us what our first step is. What do we have to do first?
Our first step is see what the groups are. And the groups are cages, bird cages.
And how many of them are there?
6.
Okie dokie. So then what are you going to do?
Then I'm going to draw 6 bird cages.
Beautiful. Thank you. That's the first step. That is the first step of what's going on in multiplication. She did a beautiful job on that. Who can tell us now that we have our 6 bird cages, we have our groups, and we know our groups are these 6 bird cages, who can come tell us what's going to happen next? Nice and loud, please.
The next thing we're going to do is there's 5 parrots, so I'm going to put 5 parrots. And in each one of the bird cages, I'm going to put 5 parrots.
Very good. Beautiful. And that's where we took it yesterday. That's as far as we went. We identified our groups. We identified how many were in each group. And today we're going to take it a step further. Today we're going to find out that multiplication is simply repeated addition. And we know that repeated means to do something what?
Over and over.
Very good. Over and over again. And that's what happens with multiplication. Let's look. In this first group, how many are there?
5.
In this group there are?
10. Well, 5.
How many?
5.
And in this group there are?
5.
And in this group there are?
5.
And in this group there are?
5.
And this group there are?
5.
So in each group there are 5 parrots. And my repeated addition is simply going to be this problem. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is simply what it is. I've got 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now, from that, all I have to do is figure out how many there are. We're going to look now for the total. We want to find those total parents. What would be a very easy way to find the total number of parents? Nice and loudly, tell me.
Count by 5.
Yes, say that really loudly.
Count by 5.
Absolutely. Let's do that, guys. Ready?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
So the total number of parents that we have how many parents?
30.
30 total parents. So now I know that I had how many groups? 6 groups of 5 parents. 6 groups of 5 parents equals 30
parents.
Beautiful. Our next step today is to take it to the repeated addition and to find our total. You think it's going to be easy sneezy?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you.